Hey, it's Eric from Rockland. If you're a local business and you're tired of doing what we call push marketing and you'd rather have people come to you. So if you're tired of having to create Facebook posts, posts that don't get any likes or comments or shares, if you're tired of reaching out to people via DMs, or if you're tired of boosting, you know, Facebook posts or Facebook ads because you feel like they're just not working, which is push marketing. I'm about to show you how you can have people reach out to you and contact you. All right, so I'm in the keyword planner for Google Ads right now, and what I wanted to show you is these areas here on the map. Okay, so we got Clarence, Rockland, Alfred and Plantagenet, Castleman, Embrun, and Russell. Okay, let's say you're an HVAC company. Did you know that in just those 5 areas, right now, every single month, 100 to 1,000 people are going to Google and they're typing in air conditioner repair, or they're typing in AC repair. So these are your customers. These are your potential customers. There's 100 to 1,000 of them who every month are searching for this service. Now, what happens when they do that? When they go to Google and they search air conditioner repair. Let me show you. Copy this. I'm going to open up Google. We're going to push this in. Okay. And now I'm in Rockland, so obviously it's going to show me, HVACs in and around the Rockland area. Let's forget the ads for a sec. What is the first thing that you see on the page? It's this here. This is called a map pack. Okay, it shows you on the map for these surrounding areas: Ottawa, Rockland, Wendover, St. Pascal. We got Hammond, Chinning, right? They show you where the HVAC companies are. In this map pack, you have locations 1, 2, and 3. These 3 companies will account for 90% of the calls. So I'm in Rockland. I need my air conditioner repaired. I go to Google, I type this in. One of these 3 companies, likely I'm going to call. I'm not going to go here. I'm not going to skip the sponsored stuff. I'm not going to go through here. I'm not going to spend my time going through here and maybe considering, that doesn't happen. It's not how people do it. So you want to be in the top 3. How do you get to the top 3? You got to play Google's game. It's all about signals, right? A lot of it has to do with reviews. It's having a good Google business profile. The thing I wanted to show you next is that if you are in the top 3 in Rockland, it doesn't mean that you're going to be top 3 all over Rockland and all over, Hammond and other areas. Your ranking changes in different parts of town. Okay, so here's the example that I have here. So I'm using a local HVAC company located here in Rockland. I'm not going to name them out of respect. Okay, but as you can see, now these numbers represent their ranking in the map pack based on that specific location. Okay, so this is where they rank based on the location. Okay, so as you can see, this HVAC company in Clarence Creek is ranking number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay, which means that if I was in Clarence Creek and I typed in air conditioner repair, this specific company would be 1 and 2 in these areas. But you can see is when we get into Clarence Rockland, more populated area, in this part of town, they're actually number 8 in the map pack for the same word. Okay, so somebody in this part of Rockland, on the outskirt of Rockland, I'm going to assume that's close to the Oodaway golf course. Somebody here goes to Google and types in air conditioner repair. This specific company that we're talking about here will rank number 8, which means that person in Rockland is going to have to click the more business. It's going to have to go down the list and find you at number 8, and then consider calling you or checking out your website. So same thing in this part of town. This is closer to the Walmart. It's Ball, right? You're ranking number 6 here. You're ranking number 5. So the point I'm trying to make is that your Google ranking might be number 1, especially close to your own shop or business or building location, but your rankings change in different parts of town. Okay. Now, what do you think would happen if you were to improve this number 8 and turn it into a number 1, a 2, or a 3? What do you think would happen if you changed this number into a 1, a 2, or a 3? You would land in the map pack top 3 where 90% of the calls come in, which means you would get more calls of people in this part of town. More calls, more leads, more customers, more sales, etc. Okay. Now I wanted to show you some of the competitors and where they rank around town. Competitors, HVAC businesses in the Rockland area, and you'll see how they rank in different locations, in different parts of town. Okay. So here's a company in Rockland, HVAC company. They're not even ranking. They're not even in this list. Okay. In this part of town, they're number 8 here. Okay. This is another one in Rockland. Again, look, they're not even ranking. They're ranking 10, 8, 8. That means they're almost invisible in these results. Okay. Then we got this one here. Again, you can see it's almost invisible. We got another Rockland company. Does great over here, right? Out in the sticks. But in Rockland, again, almost invisible. Number 6, number 7. Guys, nobody, not a whole lot of people will click see more businesses and start scrolling down. Spot number 6. Okay, that's why it's so important to be in the top 3. Okay, here's another. This one is in the top 3. That's good. Number 5, number 4. Okay, and now I'm showing you these. Okay, because nobody has a stronghold. Nobody owns the entire town, which represents an opportunity for any of you HVAC guys in Rockland to apply the map expansion method, okay, and dominate and take over and increase your phone calls every month, increase your business, and so on. Okay. If you're curious about where you rank, if you want to see this here grid for yourself personally, okay, I'm going to offer to do a free grid scan for you. All you have to do is go to edenos.ca or look in the description. There's going to be a link. Just click on it. It's going to take you to a page. I just need your business name and your address, and I can have one of these scans set up for you. Okay, it doesn't cost anything. You're just curious. You want to see where you rank around town. Okay, just go ahead and reach out, and then I'll send that scan over to you. And then if you want to talk about doing something about it afterward, I'm happy to have that discussion. Thanks for your time.